Hello guys, we are here at ARAWAK. So dito yung mga kainan, mga local foods ng Bahamas dito banda. ARAWAK, also referred to fish fry, is an area in NASSAU, Bahamas. It is known for its local eateries on West Bay Street, about 15 minutes from downtown Nassau and 25 minutes from Atlantis Paradise Island Resort. So this is the area here. So hanap muna kami ng parking spot. Saan kami pwedeng mag-park para kain kami sa mga restaurant ng dyan sa gilid. Okay guys, we're going for lunch. Magla-lunch muna kami ng friend. So we're here to explore the local foods here in the Bahamas. But these are some of the souvenir stuff here. So you can see this is a conch shell, by the way. See this conch shell? Wow, this is a conch shell. So ayan. So sa mga turista, dito yan sila kakain. So ngayon, mag-feeling turista muna ako. So ngayon, okay, there you go. We're looking for some food here. So this is the area, the ARAWAK. So nandito yung mga, I think, pwede dito. So I think, or doon pa, oo. So dito lang, ito yung maganda dito pag nightlife. Hello, yeah, the big yard. So ayan, kakain kami dito muna. So we're going to eat. Dito tayo. Yeah, we'll see. So move ta dire dapit. Get a drink. So ito yung mga kainan dito, ha? So ayan. So these are some of the souvenir stuff na mga binibenta din along this area. So mga ano lang ito, pipili ka lang ng mga restaurant kung saan mo gustong kakain. Meron ding police station, kaya safe. So dito, madaming mga tao dito kapag gabi. So dito yung mga kasiyahan din. So ngayon kasi tanghali, kaya wala. So this is also a nice dito tayo. Ay, gusto ko dito sa Frankie Gun Bananas. Ayan, dito kami. Kaya wala masyado dahil tanghali at Sunday. Pero paggabi, matao ito. Yan, ang lugar na ito dito. So this is the ARAWAK. And we're here at the Frankie Gun Bananas. And ito yung Frankie Gun Bananas. And we have conch salad here. So, what are we eating?
Dito sa pizza.
Arito sa ano, sa Frankie's. Sa Frankie's.
We want fish fry, you know, fish.
So sa Frankie Gun Bananas. Dito sa loob ng Frankie's. Yan, sa blue. Sa Frankie Gun Bananas. Close ba?
Are they open?
Are they open?
Are they operating?
So which restaurant that sells conch salad? Oh yeah, only that? Oh.
The restaurant is...
This is our restaurant right here, but we don't have conch salad right now.
Oh, I see. So, yung sa likod, dagat na din yung sa likod dyan at saka nandoon yung mga cruise ships. Pakita ko nga sa inyo guys. Ito kasi yung area na to. Tapos ito yung mga restaurant. Punta na yun sa downtown. Oo, sandali. Tapos dito, makikita nyo lang yung mga cruise ships doon. Oh. Yan, i-zoom ko nga. So nandyan lang yung mga cruise ships doon. So dito lang sa area na to banda. Ayan. Yan o, nakikita nyo yan. Ito yung mga cruise ships. Doon. Okay. So ito lang yung restaurant and papunta din ito sa dagat banda. Okay. Ano na?
Ako mo vlog.
Oh, sige. So pili tayo ng we're going to pili our food. So pili tayo ng food. So what are we eating?
Something to drink to start?
Something to drink to start.
I just want water.
Okay, just give us water, please.
Water,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, 2 bottles.
2 bottled water,
Yeah,
please.
yeah, please.
Okay, so ayan. Galing kami sa isang lakad namin dun sa boat Dragon Festival. Pero dito kami magla-lunch. So dito muna kami magla-lunch sa ngayon, guys. So ayan yung friend ko si Rogie. So Rogie, what are we eating? Did you order na? Okay guys, we would also like you to introduce the conch salad.
Specialty.
So this is conch is the national food in the Bahamas, and this is what their specialty.
They
The
call it
conch
aphrodisiac.
salad. So this is a conch salad mixed with something. This is something spicy with a mix of the conch and other vegetables. Yes. Okay, you can put it here. Thank you. So we're just gonna share this. Okay. So this is the conch and you see.
Ay, na-rice.
Okay. Yeah. Rice. Okay. So this is our food. This is a fried snapper, and then the
Enjoy.
peas and rice, some plantain, and the salad. So this is the food. Say something in my vlog. And what you?
Hi. My name is Darius Williams from the Bahamas. Enjoy your meal.
Okay, thank
What do
you.
we have here?
Yeah, we have here this food. This place.
Frankie's Gone Bananas, fish fry. Make sure, check it out. Check us out.
So you have the Facebook page, or?
Yes, we do have a Facebook
Okay,
page.
Frankie's Gone
Bananas.
Frankie's Gone Bananas here at ARAWAK.
ARAWAK.
Key. Thank you. Okay guys, it's very hot here, and we are going to go over there. Makita. It's very hot and my friend is here, you see? I have this umbrella with me. Wala ko pakialam kung tingnan ako dahil ang init talaga. Super hot here in the island. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. So this is the place here. Malapit lang ito sa kinainan namin. So here we are. And this area, so ito tourist bus na ito. May tourist bus na yan. Ayan. So ito na yun. So you can see from afar there are 5 cruise ships. It's Sunday here. Tapos dito naliligo yung iba because this is a public beach also all the way there. So you see there are coconuts, of course. So let me put this into zoom mode. Makikita dyan yung mga ship, cruise ships. Ayun. So if you want to travel here in the Bahamas, you can just come here by cruise, because this place is famous for its tourist destination, and most of the big cruise ships are here. Dito yung mga malalaking barko. Ayan, that is also the lighthouse there. And so, yan lang. Buhay isla dito. At ito yung tubig. May mga naliligo. So, dahil Sunday, it's a very relaxing day for everybody. Tourists and also for locals. So, dito lang yun. Tapos, doon lang kami kumain banda. Yan. So, ganyan lang dito. So, just showing you the place. Akala niyo ako lang ang isang nagpapayong dito. Kasi ang init. Wala, kailangan ko magpayong. Ang init-init. Oh, ay, may tubig pa. So, ayan guys. Nakapayong ako. And nakadaong muna sila. And mostly sa mga naliligo dito by ay mga pasahero ito ng cruise ships. Dahil walking distance lang, madali lang yan na lakarin mula doon sa daungan ng barko, at then lakad lang dito papunta dito sa lugar na ito banda. Dahil ito ay public beach, so accessible ito sa lahat-lahat. So if you want to go here in the Bahamas, you can just go for a cruise. Either sakay kayo ng cruise ship na dadaong dito sa NASSAU. NASSAU is the capital of the Bahamas. So dito kayo sa NASSAU, Bahamas. So nandito ako. At yes, naranasan ko na ring magko-cruise nung unang panahon. Siguro that was like 7 years ago. So I know what's in there. So if you have a chance, anyone who wants to, you are watching this video of mine, if you have a chance, you can visit here in the Bahamas by cruise, or even yourself, kailangan yung maranasan din ang mag-cruise dahil it's a really wonderful experience. Okay, everyone, we're done with our trip. Yeah, we're tired now. Ano na to ha?
Mainit kasi.
Karugtong na ito doon sa isa kong iba-vlog dahil nagla-lunch kami, and then sa lunch na yan, pinasyal ko na lang kayo sa area na malapit doon sa pinagkakainan namin. So, here with my friend.
It's so hot, it's so exhausting.
Yeah, kailangan na may umbrella.
It's draining, you know? It's too hot.
Island life here.
This is the island life in NASSAU, Bahamas.
Okay, buhay isla kami.
Masyadong mainit talaga.
Mainit super. Kasi summer, August. So, ayan na. Okay, everyone, we're done with our day. Yeah. So what's the time now? I guess it's past 2 in the afternoon already.
2:15.
Ang init! You cannot survive here the whole day around na nasa labas dahil sobrang mainit. So ngayon, uuwi na kami. Uuwi na ako. Tsaka, tapos na kami kanina ang umaga sa Dragon Boat Festival. Separate vlog ko yun. Then, we had our lunch. And then, tinutour ko kayo dito lang sa malapit na
This is the
isla.
Esplanade Beach, and this is close where the ARAWAK, where the local foods are, and then close to the port.
Siya na daw mag-introduce eh.
Yeah, this is Roger Rodge. If happened hindi nyo pa napasyalan ng aking channel, Roger Rodge. Try to check it out. It's all about NASSAU here. There are some places you could try and enjoy and watch, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
guys.
everyone, and thank you so
God
much
bless
for
everyone.
watching until our next vlog. And here, mga Pinoy kami dito sa NASSAU, Bahamas, and Island Life.